Alright, people say general lender to have the meal, is it? Yeah. How school and I then come from? Grew up? Gotta grow up. Mad thing, man. They say, oh, you're a DJ? You're a DJ? You look like a DJ.
DJ, we are doing something.
Can't do anything there. So the eye. I want a talent. Yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel, people. You see it? Don't know, say Dex Media, people. You have to like, share, and subscribe. So today we have a beautiful portantonio, you see it? And I think they call the street here William Street. So this is the series on William Street. So I'd like you guys to like, share, and subscribe as usual. And keep watching. Tell a friend about the channel. You see it?
You don't know the channel, you can call Videographyer Dex Media.
So as you see, guys, this is a one-way road. Lead you back in the town. Oh, go on. Yeah, don't look at episode. Yeah. yeah. I think right here, them normally fix stuff. Like if you have a TV and it not work, you normally come right here so and then can fix it and thing. Here's the place here, right here, so you see it? Yeah. Over there, so you look like them have a nice restaurant.
Hey.
Yeah, guys, so I'm not really going to go in the plaza them. If me and pass them, it's like see the shop owner for certain place. We like ask them if me can actually go in the store them. But I'm not really going to go in the store them. But if you don't like when I go in the store them, you can always let me know. But maybe basically just a walk and a show now I go and see how does portantonio look in 2024. So I just a show now I go and see you. Yeah. You want to say something? You want to say something for you? So as in so I go and there's a juicy beef. Alright, people say general lender to have the meal, is it? Yeah. How school and I then come from? Grew up? Gotta grow up. Mad thing, man. They say, oh, you're a DJ? You're a DJ? You look like a DJ.
DJ, we are doing something.
Can't do anything there. So the eye. I want a talent. You can't dance or nothing at all. I just outlaw. Yeah, man, I keep it real. When I know nobody out there, I want to big up. Big up the people. Alright. And just subscribe to the channel, let's see it. Dex Media. Alright. Alright, so I did a show now I go on earlier. I showed you the juicy beef, the right pan the corner there. Here's the juicy beef there up there, say. From here, I got school of juicy beef at the right, so. Where they say I have a store named Petal Verity store. Oh, go on. So as you can see, people, there's a lot of business store up here, so, at this street. Alright, guys, I'm not gonna do much talking today. I'm just gonna walk with me, guys. Enjoy this store. Remember, this is portantonio in 2024. So I'm just go and take in or go on, is it? Alright, so it looks like it's a copyright song I play down that side. So I'm gonna chop it through the lane here. Alright, so I'm gonna chop it through the lane here because of the copyright music playing down that street. But, I'm not even sure what this street name. But you guys can comment and let me know which street I am at right now. But I'm just walking and touring the area so you guys can actually see what I'm going in Portland in 2024. Yeah, I know that there's an ice cream shop somewhere up this side. So I'm just gonna walk. I'm just gonna walk and show you guys where is the ice cream shop. As you can see what I go on, people, there's an ice cream shop. No in there, man. There's a shutty place up there, sir. There's a show now I'm going for the ice cream shop. There's an ice cream shop, man, shop. I'm gonna show now I'm going for the ice cream shop. So this is a new ice cream shop right up there. It's close to the Texaco gas station. Over there, right? Oh, go on. I next need man. You want to make it. Alright, so we're approaching the police station. This is the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Portland Division headquarters. So right there you have A&A, what? Haberdashery. Alright, so just walk with me, guys. Just walk with me, see me.
Walk with love.
Yeah, you know?
Walk with.
Yeah, man. Alright, right up there now, people. We have one supermarket named G&L. So, due to all you guys remember when the fire take place at the market? So this is actually the same supermarket that was burned down. I think the same owner owned this. So they're actually right here now. Alright guys, so as you can see what we're going over there. So it's the building right there, sir. That's the Scotia building. Where them are reconstructing here. Because there was a little accident last year. And them are trying to fit it up back, you see it? I think this plaza is City Center Plaza. Yes, it's City Center Plaza. If you guys want a little tour up there, you can let me know. But for today's vlog still, we're not gonna really go in any stores. We actually just touring the area and I show you what we're going. Over there so you have Rap Plaza. You have the digital. And you have an auto shop. Come on, people, if you don't like your video, you go and like it up, share it up. You see it? Alright, so this is the area to Harbour Street. You see it, Harbour Street. See sign there, Harbour Street. Alright, so we just go. We're going to tour. Alright, you know what we're going to do now? Because due to our portantonio is very big, people. So we actually are going to do. We are going to start from that stretch. And then we'll just circle the market and go all the way back down to KFC. Alright?